The African Apostolic Church of Apostle Africa, number 8, Jefferson Road, Logan Park, Yetfield, Harare. We are pleased to announce that the African Apostolic Church leaders, led by Mutsis Enespo Masha of Africa, arrived in Cape Town last night. We are going to converge our holy gathering tomorrow, 15 May 2021, from 10:30 until Sunday morning. The sick are healed and evil spirits are destroyed. Mark 16 verse 15. For more information, please feel free to contact the Bishop Masha on 084-802-3231, Reverend Tendai on 084-297-1504, Reverend Juru on 0622-616-447, Reverend Chakanyuka on 084-648-3670, Evangelist Damba Muromo on 068-545-6928.